Hello everybody, welcome back. Good evening. I woke the Coachman up out of its summertime slumber. It's had enough of a rest. We're gonna leave the van behind. Kind of done with the van for a short while. Maybe more about that later. You know, we've had that flea issue going on with it. Somehow we picked up a nest of fleas in the van. I've been fighting it, doing this and that for well over a week, and they're so persistent. I finally ended up getting a fogger. Fogged the whole place. I got everything, just about everything moved into the Coachmen. All food and, you know, food related pots, pans, dishes, canned goods, you name it. All the kitchen stuff's back in the Coachmen for now. All the clothing, and we're about moved out of the van. So anyway, that process is complete. It's been fogged, it's been aired out, it's okay, it's ready to. I still need to take the bed linens and stuff and take and launder them. So in the meantime, we're gonna get the Coachman out of here for a bit, get out of here for a couple of days. Yeah, it's getting evening. The sun is right behind that tree. It'll be the way we're moving today, we'll be lucky to get out to the campground and set up before dark. So we need to get rolling. Need to stop at the store real quick and get on out the road. Bella, you ready? Huh? Come on. You ready to go? Let's go, girl. Come on. Come on, girl. Go on. Go on. We don't usually set out this late in the day. Just because if something happens, you know, even if we get a flat tire or breakdown, yeah, it'll be dark soon. Yeah, you don't want to be broke down along the road. You know, it's dark out. When I'm going to travel, I usually set my mind to leaving early, get the traveling done early, get the camp early. Who wants to be sitting up in the dark anyway? So we're cutting a little bit close. We'll be there before dark easily. But it's just a little bit out of character to be setting out this late in the afternoon. It's probably 5 or 6. It's probably more like 6 o'clock or so, actually. Yeah, so they'll get dark till 9, right? So we're all right. I hear some loudspeaker out in the distance. Some event out there. They're just out the road from the campground is Crooked Creek Horse stables, or I forget exactly what it's called, but they have events like little rodeos and stuff going on. We're doing the usual here. You know, when the Coachman's been sitting a while, certainly was due to get the tanks dumped, filling up with fresh water, get some extra water for washing machine, one for wash, one for rinse, get a little bit of laundry. This visit just might be a cleaning the inside from front to back. The Coachman just so overdue. I just got to thinking, since I'm going through the van and been cleaning it, and there's more to do on it, is I need to get started on this Coachman. Before you know it, it'll be time to travel for the winter again. It needs washed on the outside too. I need to do the back brakes on it. They certainly need looked at. Fronts maybe. Some other stuff, a little bit of exhaust work up front, nothing too major. But yeah, I need to start getting busy on this and not wait until the last minute. I know I've said that before in earlier videos, repeat myself a little bit, but that's it. That van needs to sit. Oh, I guess one last thing about that van. I guess the final thing on that van is and the Coachman. I'm probably just gonna go ahead and bomb the Coachman too. You know, with that electric thing, if you watched the earlier videos concerning the flea problem, like I say, I think we picked up a nest up at camp, or started them up, and because they're in the van, not the Coachman, so it kind of adds up that we must have brought some back with us from camp. Anyway, I think we got that about licked. I bought that electric one with a sticky pad in it and the light. It tracks them. You know, those eggs takes 2 to 12 days, so I read on the internet, for them to hatch. So every day as more hatch, they get caught in that trap. So there's the adults getting trapped, and they can't lay more eggs if they're continuously getting trapped as they hatch. So it's still going to take 12 days to run its course before there's no more eggs hatching. Okay, as long as all the adults are getting caught. So I thought I've already been messing with that for, you know, over a week, all the vacuuming and spraying and this and trying, and we seem like we're winning and winning the battle, and this seems to be working good. It's catching, that trap's been catching, doing a good job. But I thought, you know what, I'm just done. I'm just gonna do the bomb it, and that's supposed to kill fleas, ticks, fleas and their eggs and larvae. They and ticks and, you know, other insects and stuff. And plus, it's supposed to have a protection for up to 7 months. So I might so we did that to the van. I might just go ahead and do it to the Coachmen too. It's had no fleas, but it's had fruit. It's just such a terrible year. I've never seen it like this before. Fruit flies and what do you call the other thing? Gnats. Gnats. And tiny little flies and just nuisance stuff. So what the heck, comes 3 in a pack. Used 1 in the van, I got 2 left. Might as well bomb the Coachmen and then clean it all out and, you know, wash all the stuff and just be done with it. I hate using the chemicals and stuff, but so be it. It's just a bad year, and it's gonna take drastic measures, I guess, to get through this. Yeah, clouding up a little bit. And getting later. We need to get over there. Wish this water pressure was just a little faster. Come on, let's get done. At last.
Take the next left onto Camping Area Road. Then you will arrive at your destination.
And next left on the Camping Area Road. Okay. Let's get in here and get set up before it gets dark. Bella's all panting. She's, I know where we're at. Yes.
You have arrived.
Got some people in tents. Oh, got one of them tiny Class C's. Got a travel trailer. Let's see here. Well, we did get in tonight before dark. The nice breeze picked up. I don't know if it's gonna rain tonight or what, but nice breeze, it cooled it off. It feels great. Yeah, we got here before dark, and I did manage to get the alleyway. Things picked up in the alleyway. At least we can get through it comfortably now. So yeah, it's not ready to show yet. Maybe tomorrow I'll have it, you know, cleaned up nice. At least we can kind of put it neutral now and settle down, get something to eat here. I'll have a late dinner. What are you doing, girl? She's just out sniffing. Yeah, there's a lot of squirrels and stuff here. Huh? All right. Yeah, a few people here. Yeah, another Class C up there further. Some people way over there in some tents, and a guy right across from us in a tent. It's a pretty peaceful evening. There she goes, all done with her bath. Gotta roll around on the ground, shake it off. She says, I might be just a little bit too clean. I gotta roll around on the ground. Huh? Well, now that you're shaking off, you ready to get toweled off the rest of the way? Gonna roll around a little bit more? Say, I'm too clean. I'm just a little too clean. That's better. Huh? You feel better, girl? It's just crazy with the regular baths, just, I mean, every other day or every third day. And, you know, beginning to the flea treatments, they're supposed to be good for 30 days. What's the name of them? It's one of the better name brand ones. No, it's not from the vet, but it's they've worked great in the past. Well, for her and my last dog, they're just not. They don't. Just the fleas are so bad. I just so she's almost due, and I didn't even quite wait the 30 days. That's you know, maybe getting to the 20-day mark or so. It's like it's been so bad, I just go ahead and give it to her a little bit early. Some vet at forum or whatever said do not, you shouldn't give it, I think, any sooner than 2 weeks. You know, every 2 weeks is like don't go any more frequent than that. That's so. Anyway, I can't believe everything here on the internet, but I did come up a little bit short of the 30, and we're almost there again. Some 24, 5, 6 days. We're not quite at 30 again. But now she's got a fresh bath. While she's completely dried, she's still rolling around in the grass. Maybe this evening or in the morning, I'll treat her. She'll be fine in the Coachmen. No scratching or itching. She comes out here for 5 or 10 minutes. I don't know if they're like, hey, all the fleas just jump on. Hey, look, a dog. Let's go for a ride. It's just bizarre. Come on, you ready for a towel? There we go. We finished your one. We'll get that brand again. This is just thinner and smells a little bit different. It was effective. I seen fleas come off her. So it certainly works. I like this better. A couple of jugs of water. Something to tether her with. she don't get baths quite as well. She does haircuts and shop vac. That she'll lay for. The baths, she tolerates it if she's tethered. Come on, get your towel. Here, get your towel. Come here, come on. Come here. There you go. We'll finish it off. Atta girl. So your underside. Come here. Let's do your underside that way too. All right, I'll get you finished up. Hey, we're not quite done. She's gonna. It's like, ready, go. Nothing like a bath to make you feel a little exhilarated, huh? What do you do? Ready? Go on. It's like, go. Ready? This way. Go. All right. Well, you getting hide behind that tree? I see. I know you're over there. Let's jump ahead a couple of days. It's another fine morning, and it's been a couple productive days. I have spent a lot of time cleaning inside the Coachmen. Some thorough cleaning, some carpet cleaning. Might show you that later, how much better it looks now. Today's the day to pack up camp. I did a bunch of laundry too. I just took my clothesline down off the awning, put it away, and get the generator back on the back. I run it a little bit in the afternoons. I run the air conditioner and stuff. But we're gonna get packed up here. It's like 7 a.m. and it's already 74 degrees. It's pretty warm. It got a little bit of rain last night too, so I got a little bit muggy. Anyway, it's going up to the upper 80s today. We're gonna go ahead and get the heck out of here pretty soon. I got some things to do on the way, and I want to get them done before it gets too hot out. We were gonna stay. I was debating whether to stay one more night. What we originally did was I paid for 2 nights. And I said, it's nice and quiet out here. Let's stay one more night. And then one more night. So I paid for 4 nights. And I was doing the same this morning. Maybe we'll stay just one more. Just one more. And I go on the reservation system, and no, this site is booked. I mean, I could move to another site, but this is our favorite site, and it's booked for the next 3 days. It's Independence Day weekend, and happy Independence Day, everybody. Celebrate it well. So anyway, yeah, and so we got some hot days coming. We got another hot stretch. It's been a hot summer this year, so we're gonna head back down. The garage get plugged back in, and we can run the air conditioners more freely rather than having to run the generator, all afternoon. If we were plugged in, I'd probably have it on low right now, but it's tolerable. So I'm gonna finish packing up. We're gonna get on our way. All right, so shall we get the heck out of here? I'll share a little tip I do with this this old motorhome. It doesn't have the flush, you know, the black tank flush system like newer RVs have. So little tip I'll share what I do is when I come out here, this dump station is separate from the campground. So it's not like campgrounds where it's one way, you know, on the way out. So, you know, I can come over here on the way in and dump tanks because they are needed by the time I come out here. Dump the black and the gray tank, fill up with fresh water, but then I go camp for whether it's a day or a handful of days or a week. And then I always do it again on the way out. Well, what I do is, like the black tank, not having that flush system, like I say that the modern ones do. When I did laundry, I took all that wash water and all the rinse water, and I dumped it down the commode. So, you know, when we got here, it was pretty empty, right? As good as it gets without a flush system. But that was like 10 gallons of water. So, and only being minimally used for a couple of days. Then we come on the way back over, we're driving, and all that 10 gallons is sloshing around in there. And so when I come back over and dump again, it's a more, yeah, it cleans it pretty good. So, okay, I think we're full. Yeah, we're dripping. Let me turn the water off. So again, too, when I'm out here, I take advantage of having a water source. Well, I need to clean that compartment out bad too. I need to do the outside compartments. So I take advantage of having knowing I have a good water source nearby, and I do some extra cleaning. So then I retop that, even though I went over to the camp spot with it full. You know, I used a good bit of water. So I'm gonna top it off again. Tanks are nice and empty. Now when we go back to the garage, we're be set for a while. All right. Well, checkout's not till noon, but here, what time is it? 8:08, and we're out here. All right, we'll get back and plugged in before the heat of the day kind of moves in. It's earlier than I thought. We're back, and I am shocked about something. I'm just gonna leave it there. So we're gonna start the next video. Any guesses? Leave them in the comments. We'll get back to it.